Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure skeleton loaders with CSS and React. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, let's create a new React component for our skeleton loader. In your project folder, navigate to the components directory. Create a new file named skeletonloader.js. Import React at the top of this file. Next, define a functional component named skeleton loader. Inside the component, return a div that will serve as the loader. Now, let's add a CSS class to this div for styling. Create a new CSS file named skeletonloader.css in the same directory. Import the CSS file into skeletonloader.js. In skeletonloader.css, define styles for your skeleton loader. Use background color and a gradient to create the effect of a loading state. Set a width and height for the loader based on your design specifications. Add a border radius to make the loader look more modern. Include an animation using keyframes to create a shimmering effect. Return to the skeletonloader.js file. Use the classname attribute to apply your CSS styles to the div. You can customize the loader to represent different content types, such as text or images. Now, let's test the skeleton loader. In your main application or a test component, import skeleton loader. Use skeleton loader to render the loader where you expect data to load. To see the loader in action, simulate a data fetch with a loading state. For demonstration, create a simple state using the useState hook. Set the loading state to true initially and update it after a delay to false. Finally, verify that the skeleton loader appears while data is being fetched. Congratulations, you've successfully configured skeleton loaders with CSS and React. This will enhance the user experience by providing visual feedback during loading times. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.